Alright, I want to walk you through our new receiving update that is going to allow you to start receiving packages from Metric by Manifest. So you're going to go to your inventory page, and now you'll see this Manifest section. You'll also be able to get there by clicking the Receive Inventory, and now you'll see this Receive by Manifest option. Once you go to the Manifest page, you'll see a list of your unreceived manifests that have already been received into Metric. From here, you can click on the manifest, and that's going to expand it and attempt to pre-populate any data that we already have. So as you can see here, we know some information about this particular package, the brand and the specific product, so we pre-populate that for you. Ideally, this is going to pre-populate all of your products, so you don't have to do a whole lot of work. You're just going to have to be reviewing them. Behind the scenes for the last, let's say, 5 or 6 months, Weave has been drawing connections between Metric products and Weave products. That's how we're able to directly populate these products into the package. That just means that last time you received this product in Metric called the Mimosa A Bud, you received it as this product in Weave. So we drew that connection so that in the future we can automatically populate that for you. Once you're ready to review your packages in this manifest, you can click More, and that's going to allow you to enter all of the information that you were able to do previously, just in a slightly different user interface. Down here, you'll be able to enter in any of this information by clicking on the tab and entering in the specific information that you're looking for. And as you can see, if the information is entered, you'll get a nice green checkbox here. As you enter all of this data, it's going to be saved on the go, so you can refresh your page, you can leave it and come back. Somebody working on a separate computer could also pick it up where you left off, so this will be saved as you go, so no need to rush through it and do it all at once. If you make any mistakes when you're adding products, you can remove them by clicking this little trash can here, or if you'd like to add products to the package in this expanded view, you can click this, and this will show you the normal product page that you're used to doing in the previous flow, and you can select these and select any variants that you'd want to add as well. On this page, you can also still add new variants and products down here with this button. Once you're done reviewing a manifest, you can receive an individual package by just clicking the Receive button on that specific package, or if you'd like to receive the entire manifest, you can click Receive here, and that will receive all 3 of these packages at once. If you have any questions about this update, if you have any suggestions on how to make this better, or information you want to enter in, or you want to see pre-populated from Metric, please let us know. We're trying to make this as easy as possible for everyone to receive their packages as quickly as they can. And if you need to reach us, you can click on your initials up here, click Support, and you'll see our contact information here, as well as a suggestion area where you can type in any suggestions, and that'll get sent directly to us. Thanks.